Hi, this is Roger Conrad. I'm editor of Utility Forecaster. What I want to talk about today is the election. Every couple of years I devote the December issue to an election review, looking closely at the various implications of the vote on the national scene, as well as on the states, which is, of course, where the regulation takes place mostly for most of the companies that we cover. This year was a very important year. But by and large, a pretty bullish year. There are several states where I think the regulatory environment is going to improve markedly to a very good effect for the companies that operate there. There are also a couple of states where things maybe aren't going to go so well based on the people coming in. So this will be a very important thing to check out. One area that on the national level, of course, is the dividend taxation. My view is still that we are going to see some sort of compromise, probably something hammered out in the lame duck session. And the most likely outcome, as I see it, will be a 2-year extension of the dividend tax cut, which essentially kicks the can down the road a couple of years to the next election, where we'll be debating all these same issues. But in the meantime, it means preferential rates on most stocks that you see out there, and particularly in the utility universe that we cover. And that should be bullish for share prices down the road. My contention has been that we've never really seen these stocks reflect lower tax rates. I think one pretty good indication of that is that the same bonds issued by these companies actually yield 1 to 2 percentage points less than the common stocks. So the bonds, of course, taxed at full rate. The stocks are taxed at the 15% preferential rate. In my opinion, if there were a real taxation relationship in share prices, you'd see, if nothing else, a much closer discount there between the bonds and the stocks, and possibly even bond yields being above stock yields to reflect those taxes. So, my opinion is that we're really not looking at that much of a potential sell-off. It may be something in the short term, but by and large, I think we can look at things fairly optimistically down the road with this. So that's all I have today. We'll be again addressing all these issues in the December Utility Forecaster, which I invite you to pick up. Thanks very much.